Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another delicious episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making bacon bourbon brownies. Oh, I hope you're ready. They're just bacon, chocolate, bourbon. Pretty much a dream come true as far as brownies go. I mean, I really hope you're ready to make these because they're going to be so good. All the ingredients and the directions are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. So if you're new to the channel, click that, ring the bell, and you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now to get started, we're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and get ready for the best brownies you are ever going to have. Now we're going to grab a heat-proof bowl, and to that, add in 10 ounces of chocolate and 1 stick of butter. Then we're going to pop that in the microwave, blast for a good 30 seconds until everything's nice and just melty and it smells like, oh, tasty chocolate in here. Can't wait, it's my favorite part. So with our chocolate all melty, we're going to go ahead and add that into a large mixing bowl. And follow that by adding in 1 cup of white sugar, a half cup of brown sugar, and 3 tablespoons of bacon fat. Then with our hand mixer on a medium-low speed, we're going to blend all these ingredients together. Then we're going to add in our delicious bourbon, just 3 tablespoons. Beat that in on a low speed for a quick couple of seconds. Follow that by adding in 4 eggs and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, again, on that medium-low speed, we're going to beat everything in our bowl until it's nice and smooth. And lastly, right into our mixing bowl, 1½ cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. On a medium-low speed, we're going to blend all these ingredients together. And there is our perfect and oh so delicious brownie batter. Now let's go ahead and pour this into our prepared pan. Now let's go ahead, pop our brownies in the oven and let bake for 50 to 60 minutes until the brownies are nice and set and kind of has a nice, a jiggle, or a wobble, like a jiggle wobble. So our brownies have baked, they've cooled completely to room temperature. Sprinkle with some delicious bacon and our toasted pecans. And they just, it smells just like bacon, like chocolate, like bourbon, like brownies. I'm not gonna leave my kitchen for the rest of the day. I know you guys are really gonna like these, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think. But that's all I have for this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you get to make and try these delicious bacon bourbon brownies, give a tag and let me see you on Man Cake, Twitter, Facebook, all the social places. And until next week, bye.